Hi, I'm Terry Dolan. I'm the head of Case North America, and I'm super excited to be back here at the World of Concrete 2021, a show that we have been looking forward to, and we're looking forward to every single year. Looking forward to meeting with our dealers, a lot of our customers that will be coming here to see all the new products,
including the World Trade Show premiere of the G-Series wheel loader and all its enhancements. Also, right behind me, one of the best mid-size excavators in the industry, the CX145, and it's outfitted with a hammer, just one of the many, many attachments that you can put on this excavator. And of course, we can't forget what stole the show at World of Concrete 2020, the B-Series CTL.
This is a very important show to us and something we look forward to every single year. We're heavily committed to this industry and look forward to meeting you, our customers, this week.
Come see us at booth W3103.